Ya isamla yulaila I malnyang ibadi na kashnong malki ila yora ya kanam kum ka Miss Global International Ambassador 2024. La yo ban pin kuburom ha ka program ka bala pelong ha khasi National Dorbar Hall Maukar. Hakani ka program lawan bandon lang uba Manuel Batwar kumu kongsan uba janai nong kendri ubade yunong hikai balapa wa gijing hikai shat khasi ba rabbor lang lingdo amau plang ubade International Marketing Director jongka Mr. Elite International ikmi jeng isamla yulaila ihimmen ki para bat ki bahayeng hasam habakran hakani ka sngi kumu kongsan uba Manuel Batwar ulo ong ba hakani ka perthai ba minta ka fashion kalalong tangkarong phong perthai Henry ki khon samla ki di ban shim ba ka fashion kadi kalat ban pin I ya ka sabjong ki sha ka perthai ya ki riam khasi ulo ong ru ba ka jing shim rai ka ba minta kan wan rai jing kala haki san lanish postnam balkum ki samla ki di ban long ki ba janai haba jiet ya kanu kanu ka binta ka ba ki sngotanan Isamla yulaila ila ai ka jing khuble ya ki ki kapa ki bahayeng hasam bari ki badon benta ban kintiyo ya I hakani ka sap but ila ong baling ba kani jing treshi tom in sapoy sa kadensan ki bakam he
And that way once turned itself to a beautiful butterfly. Well, Leila, you're one of that butterfly whom I've seen and nurtured you since the very first day we met before our pageant days. And here you are winning this prestigious crown. Congratulations, darling, once again. Thank you.
Fashion Society. Một cái bằng phép và kadar kecil mukra kemudian khusus. Nomor dua por kini ini traditional fashion show kio. Ya kostum diperlom tradisional. Kategori mukra. Kostum dia kostum di tradisional dia tradisional. Nomor kata tradisional jom ini kasih kiri kabupun pak. Ikan aswad berkaitan formal macam ini tradisional guys. Dengan ini ngan pak ini pak kini musuh ini bayar ke kostum kembali ini mix apa kita tradisional. Ke kostum kayak kostum. Nomor ke kostum kita penungkamkan hati kasar kemen haka ruang kesian ini akilah tadi pak. Mereka tradisional ya, kapier, pak. Tradisional tadi tu bagi penungkam manpur. Kalau kilet, apa itu kilet apa kawai, kadang nak kawai karya jengki. Barang apa kirim, mana kasih dia kadang nak kawai. Kalau kirim apa kilet tu boleh dikah, kadang nak kawai karya. Kalau kirim ini kadang nak kawai. Di lada ke fashion society kerana ini kan tradisional. Fashion show kejomi kari kasi siapa nak kadu kecilnya sarong juga di bekerja di sini. Orang kerman dulu bah Yulina lebih kini ini sempat nak pinang kapitalisme mengerti begitu dia dibopun di bawah ini jadi begitu dibopun bah harus berpikir ini nanti biarlah begitu begitu bersertai mereka masalah, mereka kerantin dan terus keman.
That was a little low, I must say, because I saw it in her. But then, from a person who probably has been places, I would say, and I wouldn't say that I've been stuck in Shillong forever. 22 years of my life, I was out. So I could relate with her when she said that Mama and at least contest in this fashion show. I told her that look, life is just, don't look at fashion like how people normally perceive fashion when it comes to, at least in our society. I told her that it's a very big step to take. A step to take, when I say a step to take, I mean that all of us, not just her alone, especially kids, especially you people who are still very, very young, you will have to take these steps in your life. Remember that song that was sung by just now by Sia, right? It says, I'm a Porsche without a brake, right? I said, you don't even have to be a Porsche, you can be a multi-800 also. But in life, don't have brakes. In life, when you're young, make sure you exactly where you want to go and make sure exactly where you want to be 5 years from now, 10 years from now. That is extremely important. And don't just think that this is only the step she had taken, believe it or not, is very, very critical to show each and every one of you as a clan, as a family here. To show each and every one of you that life is about taking these drastic steps. Meaning pick up on long you la shine, meaning pick up on long you are snapadian, snapadian, that's plan. Pick a one dream, one mundur, one cut, one number air, and give you day. And they what should hear. Don't make dream your master. La shada kala, shinti pakatu gajim pos new jopi, or pisakut tang gajim pos new pim no one key, made yanga, hadian sunsnap and so on any sunsnap ayat number boy hey. Kamdi ko ang baru khat ke achievement na pagide kanyo ini benya met ako ay galimti baru khat niya na galimti baru khat niya and I can tell you for sure Yelena had taken that drastic step and it's, believe it or not, it's a beacon. It's like that light because what she did many people will not do, believe it or not. What she did takes a lot of guts. Believe it or not, I can tell you, so many things in life that I've done has been a mistake. Out of 10 things that I do, believe it or not, 7 things would be a mistake. But the 3 things that I do right, the 3 things that we do right, will always get me to move forward. And the same thing will go to each and every one of us. Out of 10 things that we do, 7 to 8 things will obviously be a mistake. But do we say that we will not do it? I don't agree. We have to do it. We have to take those steps. Sometimes they pay, sometimes they don't pay. But does it mean that we lose our heart? No, we will not. Because I think the best example that you can see here is not just because Yulaila win, but because of the fact that each and every one of you are standing beside her, standing behind her, standing in front of her, and supporting her in every step that she takes, shows that you as a clan, you as a family are always willing to take that step with each and every family member of this family. And the same thing might not just be with her, it might be with any one of you. When you take those steps, they are there to come and tell you that, look, you've taken a good step, we are here to support you. It has nothing to do with anything. It's just that the family system and the value system that the Malyan clan has is extremely strong, and you should be very proud of this. Because believe it or not, we as a Khasi society, as a Khasi society, we are very less. Nimpakpoy tang arholakro. Ki Khasi bagi janja, if you add us up together, we are hardly 20 lakhs. Tang hai India, ka population taran 6 crore. Tang ha Northeast, na ikraning India berapa? Tang Northeast ka Assam taran 8 crore siteng. Tinggi Khasi bani compare tang Northeast kita, we are very small. We are extremely small. So we need one support iway barabar. And it is extremely critical, but she's very lucky in fact that she has the whole value system behind her. And that value system, believe it or not, is a very good example that your family is showing the world. And that value system is extremely critical for her also in the future, because she has to achieve many more things. She has to achieve bigger things. She has to move. And believe it or not every time it will be as good as this. There will be a time when she will cry. There will be a time when all of you will cry, yeah, because of the failure of somewhere or the other. But do you think that failure will not get you anywhere? It will get you everywhere. Because those will be the stepping stones. And believe it or not, but defining a character of VM, it is only when you achieve those hard times. And I have this confidence seen from this gathering today that the entire family will always be there for each other. And that is the good part about this family. Namama, when she came to my house also, we were just talking. And she was a little naive, right? Let fashion show, you get that feeling from society, you know, they look at fashion show as something which is a little provocative. And if you look at it from a perspective of the person who's competing in, she is the torchbearer of our society. Why? Because her name is listed somewhere in a foreign country and people know that she's from Shillong. And people know that she's a Khasi. And people know that she's a Malyan. And the best part is, each and every small step the society, the Khasi society, each and every small step in everything that we do, be it fashion, be it engineering, be it anything, each and little small step that we make an impression somewhere that side or anywhere in the world, believe it or not, it adds to our value.
The journey in life is very difficult. It is not easy. The obstacles in life are very tough. But if you are determined enough and you believe in yourself, you will be able to achieve anything in life, as long as you try hard. Now my journey began when I finished my matriculation. My mother, she actually wanted me to audition for Miss Cherry Blossom 2019. So right after that, I decided, okay fine, I'll try this. It was very out of a thing for me because I've never done this before. So I took part in it, and that's when I met my first mentor here, Pak Janai Makadri. He taught me the ways to be a beauty queen. He taught me many things in life. That's when I got to know that there are a lot of things in life that I have been missing. So as I continued my journey, I started participating in a lot more pageants, in which some I have won and some I have failed. But these failures have never stopped me. These failures have taught me a lot of things. I have always learned new things from it. That matters. That will help you grow. That will be your strongest pillar in life. That will help you achieve your dreams. My strongest pillar being my mom herself. No doubt about it. And because of this, starting with her, then my brothers, then my family, my friends, and all of you gathered here today, you are now my pillars. And when I competed there on Nepal, I have met Sir Manuel. Indeed, my confidence was a bit low because it was my first time participating in an international pageant away from my state, away from my country. And when I met him, he told me that it took a lot of guts for me to do that. And that I should never forget my morals, that I should be myself. And the second supporter was our state director and our national director, Sir Rao. When I was there in Nepal, my mother and my family weren't there with me because we had to stay for 7 days. It was a 7-day event. Hence, with his support, his advice, he encouraged me. Every day he taught me new things. He was there behind me, and all of you were supported. Hence, I was able to go there with confidence and walk and speak about my state and myself. One thing we have all forgotten is that we have continued to follow this trend in this life, this generation right now. We forget how to be authentic, how to be ourselves. We forget to love ourselves. That is something which is very important. If you love yourself, you will be able to do great things in life. You need to learn yourself first. And because of that, I'd like to tell you to chase after your dreams. Try as hard as you can, as far as you can go, but without any regrets. Make sure you have no regrets in life.